We're back with another family video. If it's your first time tuning into our channel, welcome. We're happy to have you. Feel free to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification button as well, which is the little bell that you see. What that does is lets you know whenever we post so that you can remember to come back and watch whatever video we've put out. So hit the button, hit the bell, here we go. What are we doing today? Well, if you guys know my son Drew, you guys know he has a head of hair out to here. So what we're doing today is trying the curly hair routine from Lexi VO3. So I got all the things from Lexi's new curly hair video that she put out for 2019, and we're gonna try the products that she says work so well in her hair. I'm gonna show you guys all the things we got. So I got all the things that Lexi says she uses in her hair. I'm gonna show these to you guys, and then we're gonna move right on into trying this routine on Drew's bush. So, of course, this is not the hair dryer that Lexi VO3 has, but I wasn't gonna buy that hair dryer right yet. I decided to get this little reasonably priced one from Walmart. So, a few of the things that Lexi said we were gonna need was a wide tooth comb. We're gonna open this box. In this box from Amazon, I got the diamond brush. It's basically a wide tooth brush. Doesn't feel so comfy, but I'm not using it on my hair, it's on Drew's hair. She didn't say anything about this, folks, but I've been seeing people talk about this Wetline Extreme Gel, and I just thought I was gonna get it so we could try it. And now for this box. By the way, the reason why I'm in this chubby girl bathing suit is because I'm gonna be washing Drew's hair in the shower. So 1, 2, 3, I have 3 items in this box. All right. Feel the excitement. I want to see if this is gonna work on Drew's hair. Of course, Lexi V and Drew doesn't have the same texture hair, but I asked them, they said that this no shampoo can work on both girls and boys, as well as they have different mixtures for different texture hair. And I got the one that said it was for whatever I saw. This was the one that seemed like it would work on Drew's hair, okay? So this is the devacurl No Poo cleanser. And I was always confused about the no poo thing when I would see it, and Lexi explained that it's because it takes the sham out of it, I guess, because it's not the sudsy stuff, and it just leaves the poo. And it's 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone-free cleanser. So this is the devacurl No Poo Decadence. And then the devacurl One Condition Decadence. Same, free of sulfate, paraben, and silicone. And then we got this devacurl Super Cream, the Curl Styler. It gives definition and control. Again, sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. Is that everything? I don't know. Let's see. I kind of wrote it down. No Poo shampoo, conditioner, the styling cream, but this says super. With Andrew's hair, he needs super. The brush to comb through the product, and a wide tooth comb. Only thing we missing is Drew. So here we go. Android! Okay folks, this is the mess we're dealing with. We're about to shampoo him.
She's so horrible!
So we did the shampoo, we did the conditioner, and what I did was detangle Drew's hair some because he has much thicker hair than Lexi. But the next step that Lexi video 3 says is to put in the cream and style gel, and she says to comb that through with this brush and to keep the hair nice and moist. So I have my spray bottle. Ooh, this smells good. Smell it. It's a coconut curl styler. If you like coconut, you'll like this. It smells super, super good. I think this is super curly that we're dealing with. So here we go. We'll go section by section. I'll wet it again because that's what Lexi video 3 says. And now I'm gonna take some of this stuff, okay? And I'm gonna run it through. Ooh, it does bring some curl to it. And she says brush the product through. All right, all right. All right, Veil 3. You might know what you're talking about. Next section, see the difference between no definition and some definition? It's interesting. Okay, here we go. Make sure it's wet, wet, wet. All right.
Wet, wet.
Oh wait, and then she said we're supposed to do some scrunching thing. Well, I don't know how that works in a boy's hair, but anyway. I hope I'm doing it right. That stuff does bring some curl to it right away. The brush, that's everything. Okay, that's that part. I'm using enough. Okay guys, this is what we got with it wet. So I don't know, we're gonna let it dry. I don't know if I want to use the hair dryer because he doesn't, it kind of made the hair curl some, but I guess I got to do the scrunch thing. Let me do that because she said to do this scrunch the hair thing. She says it doesn't make it frizzy. So we're gonna try it just like she said. Scrunchies, scrunches. We're gonna let it dry some and we'll be back.
Bye.
All right guys, so we've let Drew's hair dry for about 30 minutes. This is the final product. As you can see, the product that we use, the devacurl cream, it took to the front of his hair and some of his curls pretty decent. I don't know if it's that I didn't put enough of that stuff on it, but the back didn't take very well and it's pretty dry. He has no curl definition going on at all. So I'm gonna say that Lexi VO3's routine probably didn't work the best for us. What do you think, Drew?
I think it's a fail.
It's a fail? Give us a shake. Alright, so from the front it looks pretty cool. Now we got a tag for you, Lexi VO3. Here we go. Alright guys, so I think it was a fail. So the conditioner really left Drew's hair feeling soft while we were in the shower, and his hair cleared out pretty good. This brush does work pretty good. It's just as good, I think, as what we use, which is a detangler. But yeah, the brush did work pretty good. The shampoo felt great. The conditioner felt great. But the styling cream probably isn't enough to lock Drew's curl, because you can see what his curl looked like. So I think Lexi VO3 curly hair routine on Drew was a fail. But I have a tag for you, Miss VO3. Since we did your hair routine, we want you to try our hair routine. We also want Jem Jem to try our hair routine. I'll tell you a little bit more about Jem Jem. However, this is our curly hair routine and that we want you to try. The first thing we want you to do is to try a hair cleansing product that we use. It's a clarifying product, so it doesn't have any of the parabens and all that like in your shampoo that you use either, but it's a cleanser. It's called the Aztec Clay Beauty Treatment. It's for your hair and your skin. You guys should check out our video that we did about 3 months ago when we tried this clarifying cleanser on Drew's hair. It really worked well. It defined his curl and it left his hair looking so shiny and nice the following day. What we did was cleanse his hair with this, and then we put in some of our products that we usually use, and then we did a twist out. Try it out. VO3, I want you to try this so you can see how it works on your hair. Then you're gonna use some of our Dollar Tree products, well, Dollar General. We use devacurl. We want you to cleanse your hair, then you're gonna use our devacurl cold wash. It does not lather, just like your shampoo. And the first ingredient on there is water. Then you're gonna use our deep conditioning. Then you're gonna do the leave-in treatment. And then you're gonna do the butter, the hair butter. And we want you to try this nifty detangler. It's from Goody that we got from Walmart. So these are the products we use on Drew, and then we just put a little touch of Eco Gel. Looks like a lot, but we want you to try our hair routine, Lexi VO3, since we tried yours. We also want to tag Jem Jem. We're gonna put Jem Jem's link in our description box below so that you guys can visit Jem Jem. Jem Jem is a cute little girl. She has a beautiful family. We love to see her. She has the loveliest head of hair you have ever seen. And Jem Jem, if you could find our products where you live, because we know you're not in America, we want you to try it, because I think it will do great on your hair, Jem Jem. So guys, we're out. This was our trying Lexi VO3 hair routine video. So we hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. We love to answer all the comments that come in because it makes us feel like we have a whole lot of friends. We thank you guys so much for watching. We thank you for liking and helping us grow. Bye. B to the Y.